Types of governments. Our country has democratic system of governance. All the countries in the world do not have democratic system. Let us understand the types of government found in the various systems operating in the countries around the world. We have democracy, but other countries of the world do not have some methods. So, what are the other types of government which are found in countries? They are democratic government, communist government and monarchy. Let's start with the democratic government. We know most of the things about democratic government because we have studied about the government of our country, but it applied in various other countries as well. So certain differences can be seen. So let's study some basic concepts which are included in the democratic government. In this system, government people elect their representative through voting. We know that elections are held and people vote to decide who will be the representative. The government is formed by the winning candidates. People's representatives who got the majority of the votes, they form the government. Government functions keeping the public in the center in the democracy. All the forms, all the reformation, all the making of laws, all the constructions, policies, all that is done keeping the public in the center in mind. Government works for the public. Local government, state government and central government are formed through the election. Government which operates at various levels. So elections are also held at various levels and that government is formed through the elections. In some countries, chief minister or a prime minister is elected by the elected representative in the democracy. In some countries, chief ministers for state level or prime minister for national level is elected by the elected representatives in the democracy. The representatives whom we choose, they elect the chief minister or prime minister. In some countries of the world, presidential democracy is seen. Presidential democracy, like for an example, United States has presidential democracy. In India, there is a parliamentary democracy. Well, not just election is held, but the party which had the majority winning candidates, they choose one representative. They have a chief operating executive. It is said for democracy that government is run by the people directly or indirectly through elections. Now we choose a representative and they are running the government, so indirectly it is done by us. The people are running the government. There is no alternative of democracy for protection and promotion of human rights. In democracy, human rights, the protection and promotion of human rights, that's the main characteristics. There is no other option than to follow it. Thus, democratic government is very important for all-round development and rights of the people. Now, if the people need to be developed, they need to be take care. In democratic government is very important. In democratic government, people play an important role. People are very important in democratic government. Government also works for the people. Government is working, but government is not working for particular individual. Government also works for the people. The tenure of elected government in our country is 5 years. The government which we have elected works, it operates for 5 years. After that, again elections are held and we form a new government. The examples of countries which have democratic government are India. We know that our India has democratic government, but besides that, New Zealand, Canada, Japan, United States, etc. and many other countries have democratic government.